Hi, I'm Julie with Mint, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very classic beef stew with some really simple ingredients. So to start, we've already diced up some beef here in about 1-inch cubes. Alright, so now that all the broth has been added, the beef's been added back, we're going to bring it up to a boil and then bring it down to a simmer, put the lid on it, and we're going to let it slow cook for about 3 hours. Last 45-30 minutes, I'm going to add in the potatoes to it so that those get nice and tender, and then our stew will be ready.